Hey you! Yes, you. You've got phishing email in your inbox. How do I know? Because the average employee receives 1.2 phishing emails per day, and today's a new day. With that being said, let's unbox 2 of the cleverest phishing email templates circulating the internet, so that you'll be able to spot them. First, we've got a gift card. At the top, there's this classic attention-grabbing exclamation to hook the user. The bottom builds a bridge of trust with the explanation that your company is offering their employees this reward card. And right in the middle, we have a gift card graphic, which is a nice touch since your standard phishing email doesn't usually come with an image. In the professional world, this tactic is known as visual marketing, which is a strategy used to depict concepts that would otherwise be hard to explain through text. Like the old saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. The visual of a gift card provides a lot of information at a glance, helping you mentally fill in the gaps without reading anything too carefully. Plus, it stands out and captures your attention. This type of marketing is also pretty on brand for a legitimate e-gift card. So it's a great way for scammers to disguise their scam and get you to click the link. If I got this suspicious unsolicited gift card in my inbox, I think the first thing that I would do is reach out to my supervisor to ensure that the card was truly from the company. Moving on to unboxing clever scam number 2. Well, right off the bat, looks like we've got an unlabeled email. As you can see, there is no subject line, which is just spectacularly engaging. When you think of the quintessential phishing email, you think of a subject line that reads "Act fast" or "Final warning" or something zingy that entices you to open it. And though that type of packaging does have great success, in actuality, 67% of scammers opt to leave the subject line empty in malicious emails. Whether this is done out of laziness or psychological manipulation, nothing could possibly stand out or pique our interest more than a blank subject. So now that we're hooked, let's open the email up and see what's inside. Also blank. Genius! These type of emails with blank bodies and subject lines are known as probes. Cyber criminals will often put out fillers for active email accounts, and the quickest way to do so is to mass send empty messages. Those emails that don't bounce back are considered active accounts and allow the scammer to proceed with future scams to those pre-vetted targets. If you receive a blank email such as this, mark it as phish and take it as a warning sign that additional phishing attempts may be swimming your way. There you have it, unboxing some of the cleverest phishing emails on the market today. When unboxing your own inbox, be sure to inspect the packaging. What's the subject? Who's the sender? Then take a look at what's inside. Was this a message you were expecting? Can you double check through a trusted source to verify if the message is legitimate? With the dose of caution and a splash of investigation, you'll be able to spot those 1.2 phishing messages in no time.